So this is start of my another beautiful day in Bali. I'm just out to see active Mount Batur today. Mount Batur is another active volcano after Mount Ong. Mount Ong is also nearby, which was erupted just a week before I started my this trip to Bali. We are driving towards Kintamani, which is the best place to view Mount Batur and Lake Batur.
This dust on the glass of this car. This is from volcano spread on the windscreen of the car.
Dust.
Oh, it's raining dust. Yeah, it's not water; it's raining dust. So this is how it is. I have started feeling the volcanoes effect from this place, and now I'm heading towards Kintamani, which is the nearest volcano, and which is about 15 kilometers from this place, right? Yes, it is around 15 kilometers from this place. Design in such a way that looks like old cars. Classic designs. Yeah. This is Volkswagen.
If you rent that for one day, it's costly 1 million for one day.
1 million for one day for that car.
Yeah.
Okay. Orange. Okay. Oh yeah, I can see that. So this is orange garden. Lot of oranges. Yeah. This is orange garden both side of the road.
It's selling orange.
Oh yes, people selling orange. So what is the rate of orange?
In here,
Yeah.
1 kilogram for 20,000.
20,000.
Yes.
Okay. I'll buy some.
Yes. When we back.
Yeah, when we'll back, I'll buy some for my dinner. Because I rely on fruits more than any other things. So I'll buy. What is the name of this village?
Tamlingan.
Tamlingan. It doesn't look like a village because it is very planned. And I see symmetry. All the homes are in like built in a symmetrical way.
Clean also.
And it is very neat and clean. Yeah, it is very beautiful. Traditional. Bali is like full of vegetation, full of greeneries. Temperature is not very high, and even feel factor is like it is always pleasant.
Here maybe 17 degrees Celsius.
17 degrees Celsius current temperature. So that is very pleasant.
20.
20 like in Kuta area.
27.
27, and at this place it is 17 close to. We are at some height now. So we are close to 70 kilometers away from Kuta.
Da.
Yeah.
Yeah. More than that.
More than that.
Yes.
Okay.
Because we start from your hotel at 10 o'clock.
Yeah, and
Now
this is 2. 4 hours we took, and we are still on the way. Okay, so we are long away from Kuta, but this is all Bali. And what is this? This is some fruit?
It is cabbage.
Cabbage, okay, cabbage, bigger cabbage.
Vegetables.
And I see one volcano. Is that a volcano?
Yeah, for that.
Which
Big
one?
Volcano near my village.
This is near your village.
Hiding with the cloudy.
Okay, this is your village is nearby.
Yes, that's
Yes,
volcano.
that is one volcano I see.
Yeah. Biggest.
Okay,
Like dust. Like
that
gas.
is the dust from volcano.
Yeah.
We're not at Aagush, but yeah, this is another volcano, and it is also erupting, and magma is coming out, and you can say as in the air. So yeah, that side. Oh yes, I can see that is coming out. So we'll go close to that.
Would be close over there, but just we same from the mountain.
Yeah.
We are in the high ground.
Okay.
Yeah.
We are on the high ground.
Yes. So we safe.
We are safe because magma will go down. This is something that it is always like erupting and exhaling gases. It is active for a long time.
Yeah.
So it hardly affects your like air traffic.
No.
It
no,
never affects
no,
air traffic. Okay.
Just only like this every day.
Okay. So this is normal
My village only 5 kilometers
From-
that mountain.
from this mountain.
Yeah.
Okay.
But the family is still safe. My
Yeah.
village.
Yes. This is Batur village area only.
Yeah. We are
Okay.
at outside. Yes, the big.
Okay. So we are passing from outside of the Batur village museum. Okay. This is museum.
But starting. Okay.
Yeah.
Right side.
Oh. Yes.
That is the Batur Volcano.
Where is Batur Volcano? This
Yeah.
one.
Yes.
The long mountain.
But
The
now-
high mountain.
Oh, sleep.
Okay. Okay. This is. Will you stop here?
Your restaurant is good, more good view from that.
Okay.
From your restaurant.
Okay. From my restaurant, I'll get a better view. Okay. This is also good. So this is Batur.
Batur
Lake is also there.
Batur
Water.
Lake.
And I see some of the ashes coming out from that mountain as well. Is that volcano?
No, not that volcano. Volcano more big than that.
Okay.
Agung mountain. Agung the main is big. Bigger of the big.
Okay.
Agung the main.
So, and this is where?
Your restaurant then Jackson.
Okay, my restaurant is this side,
Left side.
left side. Okay.
So this is Green Panchaksari, right in front of Batur Volcano.
This is very nice restaurant where I have come for lunch. My table is booked, and I'm just going inside. So this is lovely. This is a nice place. Look at this. And you have all the options to have. So this is basically you have to choose what you want to eat. And look at this, there's candle everywhere. So I can start with soup, tomato soup, vegetable soup, and few things in continental. And after that, fried rice, noodles.
We have the main course. Yeah, the
Yeah.
consists of the steamed rice, red
Fried.
noodles. That's one of the mixed vegetables. Also, we have
This side we have fruits as well. So there are ultimate options, starting with traditional Indonesian soup. And I really love this restaurant for service and everything. This is beautiful. I'm loving it. And look at this right behind me is Kintamani Volcano. This is beautiful. Cloud is moving. Things are beautiful. Yes, so this is Bali. Not a bad place to come.